of course, you know I am all about space savings. Where do you put these? But when you want the nuggets and the French fries with the little ketchup
you have
or
kids,
the honey mustard,
please drop what you're doing.
Yes.
And if we could call this the chicken nugget and ketchup holder.
Perfect.
And it wouldn't work if you. Right. Thank God I don't. And if it was just the chicken nugget and ketchup holder, moms across America would order these en masse.
Yes.
Guess what? You could put whatever else you want on there.
Right.
These are, you get 4 of them for $23.64. Easy Pay is $4.73. Oh, wow. We have 3 whole minutes to chat about this. Feels like a luxury.
Sushi with, of course, our dipping sauces. I love these as little miniature Easter baskets, little breakfast. Look how cute with the little mini pancakes with the little syrup that you're dipping it in. These are so great, and they're super handy. Because what do you kind of put those snacks in? You could do hot fudge in the center and maybe have some chocolate dipped strawberries. We have all of the patterns and all of the colors over here. And we tried to bring out everything.
Ranch dressing and celery sticks.
Yes, exactly. How do you remember all that?
I don't know.
Your
they just
brain
pop up in my head every once in a while.
Amazing.
Okay, thank goodness we have more color choices than just a few that you saw on the table. So that, wow, this is awesome.
Why don't we start up at the top with Doodle Doo? Does that work? Doodle Doo. So we have the roosters. Always good luck in your kitchen. First time you're seeing these. So this item is brand new. There's your red. Next door to that we have your gray, and then we have your black.
All right.
Tell me what's easier.
Yep,
perfect. This is our seasonal.
Look
at the olive flutter. Olive flutter or butterfly. Love that. Next door is the palm. Lisa and I did a show on QVC2 yesterday. Everything in palm sold out. By the way, we were the host and the guest. It was hilarious. Next door is the Pawfetti. I love that. And then last but not least, we have, of course, our patriotic. Then we, of course, go to our classics and our floral lace. There's your gray. And I love that we're showing you the etching there, then the reverse. There's your cranberry. We don't always do a ton of cranberry. Your red, the black, and of course, we had to share the blue. Then we have Old World. Old World, we have our classic colors, the beautiful red. Someone was just asking today, Tara, where's the red Old World? There it is.
There it is.
Next door is the blue. Then we have, of course, the classic green. Notice that rope detail still running around the edges. There's your black, all individually hand painted. And last but not least, there is your confetti. So I love the fact, by the way, you can even put a hard-boiled egg inside there. I also designed it that way with some toast points. So these are those kind of snack pieces that you start to use over and over again.
Okay, just a little recap here. Confetti going quickly. Olive flutter, which is just the most darling thing ever, going quickly. Pawfetti is going to sell out. We only have 200
running out of here.
Yep, every single time.
See what I did there? Cornball. Dad jokes.
I live for it. I live for it. By the way, and I know your eyes dancing around, a lot of what you see right here, gonna have it in the dinnerware set as well. But let's head back over. Wait, do we have we have a few seconds?
Look at that. We have a lifetime. It's 50 seconds.
I know. Funny how TV time moves a lot differently than real lifetime.
But I love the idea also, Jen, when you're picking up more than one set, like you could literally have 2 sets of 8 and be able to do French toast like that or pancakes like that. Look how sweet that is.
Yummy.
So when you think about portion, when you think about the way you're laying things out, take out the Easter baskets. I love that idea. And then I was also just thinking, like, it's really fun to be able to have these because you can microwave. So maybe you want to do like a little drawn butter in here, or this is your cocktail sauce and you have some shrimp cocktail. So many different things. It's still the same temptation.
You're actually going to sit. I keep going back to the nuggets.
Well, this
and the
is
ketchup,
just
but
everyday life.
You know how often, for my daughter, I would just like splooge a whole bunch of ketchup on there. You waste a lot of it. This time, you put that there, and it's like then it empties out. You fill it again. So it's just smart portion control.
Little dipping dishes. These are so great, and they're now bigger and better.
Alan, do you want to do colors one more time, or do you? Okay, all right. I can run. Thank God I didn't wear heels today. All right. Doodle Doo, we have the red, the gray, the black.
Doodle Doo.
Doodle Doo. Guys, please don't wait on the olive flutter. We have the palm. Fewer than 100 left, olive flutter. How many left in Pawfetti? Fewer than 200. There's your patriotic red, white, and blue. Then we have the floral lace gray.
Cranberry.
Cranberry, red, black, the blue that was really, really popular. And then in Old World, it's red, blue, green, black. Confetti is going to be the first to go out of that collection. It's K835.
It's because you're wearing the apron.
And the olive flutter, too.
I see.
You know what? It's a little frill on the end that makes me feel
everything
like it's
about this apron is so cute, right?
Even if you burn everything, you at least looked cute.
You did it well.
Still loves you.
You did it well.
All right, 5 easy payments of $4.73. QVC.com.
Food tents are next. Is that where we're headed?
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh,
dinner.